In today's video, we are going to finish the gable end wall, add some bracing in the attic, add some bird blocking, and install a sub-fascia. Let's get started. First, I'm going to add the diagonal top plate for the gable end. Once I have my cuts, I can just copy it to the other side. Then I can trace lines from the studs below to locate the studs above. I'm putting a stud exactly in the middle for the bracing I'm going to add later in the attic. Now I can put on the sheathing. This will help tie the upper and lower walls together. Now I can trim to fit. Now I can do the same on the other side. I'm going to hide these rafters for now so I can see what I'm doing in the attic. I'm going to add a 2x4 across all the ceiling joists to stabilize them. Some people call it a rat run. Some people lay them flat, but if it's standing on edge, it's a little bit stronger. Now I'm going to add a diagonal brace at each end. This diagonal brace can just be nailed to the horizontal brace. Now we can add some bird blocking. The bird blocking is only required if you have open soffits because you don't want birds and other critters climbing into your attic. If you do install bird blocking, you will need to cut holes in it for ventilation and put a screen behind it so bugs and bees can't get through. If you have closed soffits, you won't need the bird blocks, and you will have vents in your eaves. Now we can put on the sub-fascia. Right now, the end of our rafters are 10 5/8, and we want them to be 6 inches. For the sub-fascia, I'm using a 2x8, which is actually 7.5 inches wide. We're going to use a 2x8 for the sub-fascia, but we want it to be on the same plane as the rafters. So it will have to be beveled. Then we'll have a place to nail the edge of our roof sheathing and our drip edge. We don't want the bottom of the rafters sticking down, so we have to cut those off. You could do this before the rafters are installed, but it might not come out exactly even. The sub-fascia is going to run a bit long so that we can install our rake fascia. There are a few different ways to do this. I'm just going to copy one of the rafters without the bird's mouth. Then I'm going to add some ladder blocking to hold it in place. I'm going to put the blocking every 2 feet on center. I meant to copy that, not just move it. Next time we will finish the roof sheathing. Thanks for watching.